how to switch your account on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to switch your account on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee and then click these three lines and stop, and here you will find settings, and then just scroll down until you find this one here, switch account, and click on it. And here you can add another account, just click add and add that. That's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.